So guys, dun tayo nakatira. Ayan na. Oh, this is the big. Can we fry it?
No. Some even bigger. Here's the black one, even bigger. It's swimming here.
Change all fish.
Look at it.
They take out the small one and change the big fish.
It's not take out small one. It's the small one.
The smell. There is a small one, and there is the big one. Oh,
look at the white ones.
This is the black one. It's so big.
Yeah.
Change the fish. Don't feed them.
Yeah, don't feed
them.
Because they have food. You feed them too much, they will die.
So cute. Pretty. What do you call this one? Jade hairpin kind of flowers in English, but the scientific name is Liliaceae. so cute. So kami sa loob, guys. Tingin ta. Oh, new decoration. You can maybe now. So cute, guys. So, bago na naman yung set nila. Used by the anahaw leaves. This is anahaw leaves, guys. Please sit. They make new design. I think every month they make new design. Row boat. This is boat. So cute. This is boat. And then they have another design of bahay kubo. Bahay kubo. Made by bamboo and anahaw leaves. This is anahaw leaves. And made by rattan. Ano? It's not rattan. Yeah. The palm leaves. It's not anahaw. It's a palm leaf bolts. Hindi siya pala anahaw. Kundi sa palm siya. Palm leaves. Ito yun, oh. Different in anahaw. Right. Different in anahaw. Oh, this is palm leaves. Yung ginawa nilang bubong. Different from anahaw. Right. Yung mga sinaunang sinaunang ginagawa. Historical ba, no? Tawag ng historical. Or paddle woodworks. Alam niyo guys, gusto ko rin magbasa ng mga ganito. Kasi matututo ka, marami kang matututunan. No? Gusto ko magbasa ng mga ganito. Kasi ma-learn ka. From 1950s, traditional fishing techniques. Oh, ito yung traditional fishing technique nila dati. Yan, yung boat, guys. May layag pa, daimi. They call that sanpan. This one, daimi. See? Chinese bahaba fish. Oh. Yellow croaker. Yellow croaker fish. From 4 finger. Thread fin. O bakit tinawag siya 4 finger? Ah, because dalawa siya. And this one, Chinese sapers. May net din siya, guys. Oh. No? Panghuli ng isda. Ganda talaga pag ano. Papasok ka ng mga may kwento, may mga historical, right? Katulad yan. You can learn of everything, guys. If you wanna read the books, the story, you learn. Even though we don't have any degree holder, but if you want to read any books, you learn. You can learn, and then if you learn, you can share your learn. Alright? English talaga ako, kahit mali. Diba? Fishing net. In the past, fishing nets were made of jute by hand and complicated process. Wagi, iswata. Mga ganitong gawain. Yung unang panahon na hindi pa masyadong high-tech pa, no? Ayan. Ayan pa, o ayan. Diba? The fisherman. Kaya, we need to read the books about the historical or Tayo Fisherman Culture Exhibition. Fisherman or paddle woodworkers and the palm leaf balls. Yun mga ginagamit nila nung sinaunang panahon sa pag-fishing nila, no? Yan o, may mga English yan, matututo ka. Preface. Diba? Ganda siya. Ito yung ito yung boat nung hinaunang panahon. May dalawang sagwan pa. May sagwan. Diba? Ganda siya.
So young, you have friends.
Yeah.
She's a very pretty granddaughter.
Pretty.
I want to fight with you.
Oh, you want me to know?
Yeah, I will go there. You
Okay.
can take a look. What kind of this? Rain garden. Oh, butterfly. Butterfly?
Butterfly.
That one. This one. This one.
A lot of butterfly
Yeah.
conceive the flower.
Now this one is this one. This yellow is, I don't know.
The yellow one. This is red. White.
That is ginger flower. That one I know.
On the wings of
But
love.
this flower is good. It's bushy, but with mosquitoes. Oh, they dancing. That's why you see here, this couple is dancing there.
Yeah.
Remember we shooting some pictures here.
Nighttime
Nighttime.
with Ida.
Right now we can doing some pictures here. It's very nice. Right? Where can we shoot?
No good. No good. The flower right now.
The bushes.
Yeah. They have a kogon.
This is
Kogon.
nice.
Make it Kogon. Yeah, so good. You can put on your ear this one. Kiliti.
This one is very nice.
Welcome to Chongsong.
If I hiding here,
And hiding there is promenade. This is where we are right now, guys.
if I hiding here,
You can sit down on the stone.
look at that.
You wanna sit down on the stone?
I like this flower. How can you take?
No.
Then shooting here.
You want to take a picture?
Yeah, here this flowers, this one.
Okay, we take a picture. Brace out.